Well, lads, today we are going to replace steering pump on a 08 Ford Focus engine 125. Yeah, you can see it. So remove the belt. This one is a stretchy one, so to remove it, it's easy enough. One, nothing here. No, one, two, no, one, two, one there, two. I already removed the bottom sole part. Last one, and the pump should fall. Okay, we can remove the pipes. We can remove the plug for the sensor. So the pump is here. We need to remove this sensor. Remove this sensor. Put in the new one. Sensor here. Tight this and let's put everything back together. As you can see, the new pump is in the place. You just need to put one here. It's missing one here. I'm going to fit it right away. You need to put this one that it was missing. This one, so I have to find another one to put here. You have one here, one here, one here in the pump, one here to the support, one here, and one in the other side. Basically, and now the fun part is to put this stretchy belt, but that's another problem, and we are alone, so I might remove the alternator. It's probably be faster. I'm going to put oil and record this. So always put the bottom one first. It's in. Tight it a couple of turns. It's in a couple of times. Now for the hardest part, let's put these two back into the place. Do this always only if you are alone. If you have someone, ask them. It's way easier. And you won't have the probability of making something wrong. Push this backwards. Always the bottom one first. Make your life easier. Never forget. Then this one. So don't forget this. And the other thing must be connected to the bottom bolt of the alternator. Don't forget as well. In. Now we put this back together. It's only 10. The bolt here, and you have to align a pin down there. Perfect. And then you put the screw to 10, and basically it's done. We just need to put oil and crank it. And after you crank it, turn the steering wheel side to side to bleed the pump. Like I was saying, you have to turn it to bleed it. One side, the other side, this side again, this side again. The pump is already starting to stop making noises basically. And now make sure you clean the steering wheel. Perfect. Now we check the oil level. Doesn't make any noise. It's good to go. The oil level, it's roughly good. I mean, it is exactly in the max. So, perfect. So, follow me, subscribe, make a donation, make everything. Go to my Twitch account, do whatever you want. Fuck you!